Welcome. Today, we'll explore how subliminal messaging can help nursing students boost their confidence and overcome exam anxiety to ace the Nclex-Rn. This proven technique taps into the power of your subconscious mind, enabling you to reprogram your thoughts and achieve exam success. Let's dive in. Subliminal messaging is a powerful tool for nursing students. By embedding positive affirmations directly into your subconscious mind, you can overcome self-doubt and anxiety. This transformation can improve your focus, motivation, and confidence as you prepare for the Nclex-Rn. Preparing for the Nclex-Rn is daunting. Many nursing students struggle with anxiety and self-doubt, often feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of material. These mental blocks can hold you back from achieving your full potential. Fortunately, subliminal messaging offers a way to overcome these challenges. Your subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Most of us are unaware of how deeply it impacts our behavior. By using subliminal messaging, you can take control of your subconscious and program it with positive affirmations that work in your favor. Subliminal messaging works by bypassing your conscious mind and embedding positive affirmations directly into your subconscious. These messages are absorbed and accepted as true, leading to lasting changes in your mindset. It's like downloading a new operating system designed for confidence and success. Affirmations are key to transforming your mindset. Repeating phrases like, "I trust myself to pass the Nclex-Rn exam," helps replace doubts with confidence. These affirmations target fears and reinforce self-belief, paving the way for exam success. For affirmations to work, you must immerse yourself in them. Listen to subliminal messages daily and surround yourself with positive reinforcement. The more you expose your subconscious to these affirmations, the more effective they become at reshaping your mindset. Subliminal messaging offers several benefits for nursing students. It reduces anxiety, enhances confidence, and improves focus, helping you approach the Nclex-Rn with a success-oriented mindset. These mental shifts are critical to performing at your best during the exam. In summary, subliminal messaging is a game changer for nursing students. It helps you overcome anxiety and self-doubt while building confidence and focus. By incorporating affirmations into your routine, you can reprogram your subconscious for exam success. Thank you for joining me. If you've struggled with anxiety or self-doubt while preparing for the Nclex-Rn, share your experiences in the comments. Check out my other videos for more study tips and exam strategies. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and inspiration on your nursing journey. Good luck, and I'm rooting for your success.